Hello, welcome to a brand new course on JavaScript offered by Sifting Bytes Academy. My name is Venu and I'll be your instructor in this course. In today's session, we will see what this course offers you in brief. I hope you find this session interesting and informative. This is designed to be a comprehensive course where we discuss everything about JavaScript. Now, JavaScript has developed into an amazing and powerful multipurpose programming language. We will learn the latest features in JavaScript and beyond and use modern JavaScript coding standards. We will do this through plenty of exercises and demo projects. We will adopt a time-tested algorithmic approach of programming which comes more natural to us. We will explore various data structures, design patterns, and their use cases in real-world applications. While learning various features of JavaScript programming, we will also understand certain limitations and peculiarities that come along with them, and also the wide variety of tools that have been developed to handle these limitations. So I don't want to flash and read through the long list of topics JavaScript has to offer because it can be pretty boring and overwhelming at this point. But by the end of this course, you will be an expert in JavaScript programming and you will be ready to work on any JavaScript based project. Be it a front-end project using any modern JavaScript based frameworks and libraries like Angular or React.js to name a few, or a back-end project using Node. Now about the prerequisites that you need to know prior to taking up this course are none. Everything we do in this course will be explained from scratch. We start at the very basics. No prior knowledge is assumed. All you need is some willingness to learn and practice. Once again, welcome to this course and I am super excited to start this journey together with you. See you in the next one.